Good morning everyone, this is Boxing Day and here we are with Martin and Liesl. Morning. So at the moment we're actually ski touring through onto a track going into Monau. We're in between two fronts and the snow is looking absolutely amazing. Sledging. Now the big difference in today is actually it's very cold. It's -9 at the moment. Anything higher will be getting colder and we've got high winds at altitude. So we've decided to really go for more of a gentle route through the trees, and there's south facing as well, so we're reducing our risk of avalanche. We're going to get gentle slopes and through the trees for visibility, just in case the front comes in earlier. Now the biggest thing is when it's this cold and you're going uphill, it's really important to make sure that you've got the right equipment with you. I've really changed my thoughts and my equipment of what I'm carrying, because mountain rescue will take a while, and these cold temperatures, you know, your really risk is hypothermia if you've had an injury or if you've got any equipment failure. It's actually making sure that the team around you is all nice and safe and warm. Happy Boxing Day everybody! As Liesl says, happy touring day! It's always really good to have a little snack in the sunshine just before you go uphill, give you some energy to go up. And here we are, we've just reached 700 metres, it's about 1:30 in the afternoon. It's pretty cold out here, as you can see. And this is one of the big factors, is you've got to make sure you've got all the kit and everyone's got down jackets, you know, so that you get actually warm out here on transition. We've got Paradise Valley in the background. Wow, it's amazing. It's so good to be here. So timing is everything out here. It's 1:30. It's going to take us an hour and a half to get back down, so we're playing it safe, transitioning here, and then we're going to ski the powder. So it's -14 here without the wind chill. So it's probably getting about -18, but it's absolutely stunning. Now, time for the fun bit. It's just so important that wherever you are, don't be too scared to turn back. Timing is everything. If you're pushing a route and you're going to lose sunshine and you're going to lose time and it's just feeling uncomfortable, it's almost better sometimes just to completely stop, transition and get home safely for another day. Ah, woohoo! In the sunshine.